Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify the frame size within Premiere Pro. To adjust your frame, you must decide whether you want to scale the specific clip or change the overall video resolution. As you can see, I currently have black borders around my footage. I could simply navigate to the Effect Controls panel and increase the scale. While this solves the immediate visual issue, it does not actually change the frame size. It just stretches the video to fill the existing space. To properly adjust the frame dimensions, head over to the Project panel. It is helpful to switch to List View so you can clearly identify the sequence you are working on. Once you find it, right-click the sequence and select Sequence Settings. In this menu, you will find the video frame size. My current project is set to 1280 by 720. If you are unsure which settings to use, you can search online for standard video resolution parameters to find the best fit. I am going to choose Full HD for this project. Go ahead and type in 1920 for the horizontal and 1080 for the vertical settings. You will notice it remains at a 16:9 aspect ratio, but with a higher resolution. Click OK and then confirm the change. Now that the frame is larger, the video appears smaller in the window, so you will need to scale the clip up once more to fill the new area. That is the process for adjusting frame size. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. See you next time.